Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? So I have in for repair today is an Xbox. Here it is. What's going on with it is the actual HDMI port. Let's bring it to the camera so you guys can see that HDMI port a little bit better. Trying to maneuver it so you guys can see it. Let's see if we can get inside this camera right here. And the problem is right there. So the problem with this console is right, that little piece that's sticking out, that's damaged. It's supposed to be like the rest of this, but it's not like the rest of that. So because it's not like the rest, we're gonna have to go ahead and replace it. So let's go ahead and take this thing apart and remove the HDMI port, install a new one. We'll show you guys the removal and the installation, and then the video of it, the console turning on. So let's go ahead.